मैले डान्स गर्ने
With over 100 ethnic groups and multiple religions living in harmony, Nepal has long stood as a shining example of unity in diversity. Through music, dance, food, and tradition, the festivals around Nepal showcase the richness of its ethnic diversity, celebrating each community's unique identity with a full day of culture, color, and connection. We are bringing Nepal to Islington.
Experience the beauty of festivals like Jatra, Chhath and Udhauli-Ubhauli. All in one place.
Namaste.
Sewaro.
Jojolapa. We have got a super fun game lined up for you today.
Hello.
Hi.
So let's play a short game. By the way, हजुरले Heads and Tails भन्ने गेम खेल्नु भएको छ?
खेलेछ।
छ।
छैन।
So आज चाहिँ Heads and Tails को गेम खेलौँ है तर with a fun cultural twist है।
कस्तो ट्विस्ट भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ
Heads आयो भने चाहिँ I'll ask you a fun cultural question.
अनि Tails पर्यो भने चाहिँ हजुरहरूले cultural danceहरू गरेर देखाउनु पर्छ।
So who wants to go first?
हामी चाहिँ coin toss गर्छौँ। So Heads आएको छ है।
Head पर्यो है? So I'm going to ask you one question,
Name any 3 popular dishes that you will find at every Newari food stall.
What do Tharo people worship during Chhath Puja?
In which month of the year is the Udhauli and Ubhauli Parva celebrated?
Yomari, Bara, Choila.
Sun?
July तिर. That's fine, but this is wrong answer. Right answer चाहिँ December मा.
So म फेरि टस गर्छु अनि त्यसपछि म हजुरको चान्स है.
मैले डान्स गर्ने हजुरले चाहिँ एउटा कल्चरल डान्स गरेर देखाउनु पर्यो Thank you, it was fun.
Wow, that was so amazing. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wow, we have seen some great dance moves and heard some really thoughtful answers today. Tell us in the comment which cultural dance moves were your favorite and how many questions could you answer?
At Islington Jatra, expect amazing cultural dances, traditional games, photo booths, workshops, and of course, mouth-watering ethnic food stalls.
See you all soon for the grand celebration Islington Jatra. Let the tradition come alive.